सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। कनक जलद गात्रौ नीलसनाब्ज नेत्रौ मृगमदवर भालौ मालती कुन्दमालौ तरल तरुण वेशौ नीलपीताम्बरेशौ स्मरनिभृत निकुञ्जे राधिका कृष्णचन्द्रौ वृन्दायै तुलसीदेव्यै प्रियायै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिप्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। ऑल टुगेदर हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I pay my humble obeisances unto the lotus feet of my Paramaradha Guru Pad Padma, Om Vishnu Pad Paramhansa Swami Ashtotara Sata Sri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Om Vishnu Pad Paramhansa Swami Ashtotara Sata Sri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. I pay my humble obeisances unto the lotus feet of my spiritual grandsire, Sri Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, and Sri Srila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and all Rupanuga Gaudiya Guru Parampara. I convey my Dandavat Pranam, all Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis, and welcome all guests who present today to encourage me to speak some Hari Katha. The biggest festival of all over the world, the Rath Yatra of Jagannath Dev, is going on in India. Here is Subal and Baladev. Ujjal Sakha and Baladev.
Half of the audience is in the room.
Come here, Ujjal, Baladev.
Don't hide there, come here.
Come. Yeah, what? So, the biggest festival in the whole world, Jagannath Dev festival, is going on. You can see Ditya, Gaur Nityananda Prabhu, Radha Krishna, Nrsimha Dev, Vishnu, so many. But Jagannath Dev mainly wooden vigraha. Yesterday I told deities are 8 types. Prior to that I want to tell something. Before my sannyas, I was with Gurudev. In Brazil I crashed my hand completely, but not broken, so much swollen, I could not do anything. For 2.5 years I could not chant Harinam. but some other weeping used to chant Gayatri mantras. We told, yes, weep and remember Krishna is best. And then I left hand used to chant Harinam. So Gurudev told, how long you can eat and sleep, don't stop chanting Gayatri mantra and Harinam. If you are coma, no problem. In the same way, we should have to focus on our soul. So what we are eating, this is the food for body, but food for soul is Harinam and chant our Gayatri mantras. So requesting you all, I have come very enthusiastic after that don't be weak. Every day had to chant Gayatri mantras and Harinam. Then Gurudev, Guru Parampara, Bhagavan will give power. So I am coming in subject matter. Why Krishna became wooden Vigraha Jagannath Dev? Yes, I told one is pastime. Krishna is Bhakta Vatsal. Krishna has so many qualities, unlimited. Out of all qualities, his topmost quality is Bhakta Vatsal. Just like in this world, parents are Santan Vatsal. Mother, father, they are earning money and make will for their children. Why this is nature of parents? Because Sneha is Nimnagami, affection go towards down, not up. Like water always going down. In the same way, affection will go towards down. So parents are Santan Vatsal. And Gurudev is Bhakta Vatsal, Sishya Vatsal, especially Sevak Vatsal. Gurudev used to tell that if someone doing any mischief for his baby, especially an animal, they will be ferocious. Once we are in how Vishwadas Prabhu and Lalita they arranged program, where's lake, yes. So where Gurudev was there, very close, there is forest. I saw one baby bear there in morning. Then I saw Gurudev. Then I was walking on going, here go, then you will see. His mother will come and punish him. Because animal not attack so easily if you not go too close. But if you disturb their baby, they will attack you. In same way, if you are doing something or if you harass bona fide Guru Sevak or Sishya especially Sevak, Gurudev will not tolerate. Some other punish. So you have to be very careful. So Gurudev Sevak Vatsal and Bhagavan Bhakta Vatsal. You can ask for the evidence. You can know about Ambarish Maharaj and Durvasa. Durvasa Rishi, due to fear of Sudarshan Chakra, when Sattalok to Brahmaji, Brahmaji, I cannot give you shelter. Then first Chakra will burn me than to you. Then he went to his father Shivji. Shiv told, my dear son, I am very, very sorry. If I give you shelter, then Chakra will like father, like son, will burn father and son simultaneously. Brahma told first burn than to you, and he told simultaneously. Then he went to Bhagavan Vishnu. Bhagavan told, Aham Bhakta Paradhino. I am dependent on my devotee. Devotee, Prabhu, you are supremely independent. Well, yes, I am supremely independent, but I am controlled by my devotee. Prabhu, why are you taking side of the householder? He is fallen, wretched. Bhagavan told, Durvasa, I am not taking side of household, I am taking side of my devotee. And Durvasa told, Prabhu, it mentioned in the Pranam mantra, Namo Brahmana Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha Jagat Hitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Namo Brahmana Devaya. You consider Brahman as your Devata, as your God. I am not ordinary Brahman, I am Maharshi, topmost Brahman. Why I'm not taking my side, taking side of that householder? Bhagavan told, no, I am not taking side of householder or brahmachari or grihastha or vanprastha or brahman, kshatriya, vaishya, sudra. I have no discrimination. I am seeing my devotee. So Bhagavan Bhakta Vatsal. One Narad Rishi knew this very well. Once Narad Rishi came and to Dwaraka and told Krishna, "Oh Prabhu, may I ask you something?" "Yes, no problem, Prabhu. Can you tell me frankly why you became wooden Vigraha?" Bhagavan told, Narad is this only problem maker, trouble maker person. Always do something what not no need to do. Oh no problem. It happened like, oh, Prabhu, please tell me what happened. Then Krishna told, this is my domestic problem. But let me maintain privacy about my domestic problem. Oh, Prabhu, please tell me what happened. Why became wooden Vigraha? Bhagavan became little angry. Narad, clean your own backyard. Don't stick your nose in my domestic problem. Again silent. Oh Prabhu, what happened? Please tell me. Oh Narad, oil your own machine. Don't disturb me. Again Narad silent. Because Narad knew very well Bhagavan is Bhakta Vatsal and Narad is topmost devotee. Bhagavan told, Ekastriyau prakriti mukhada ditya chanchala cha putrameika bhuvana vijayi manmatho durnivara sayanabdhau sasajja vahana parnadari smaram sagriha charitam daru bhuto murari. Telling, oh Narad, this is my domestic problem. I have 2 wives. Buddha used to tell, big ruler can rule the whole country, but could not rule their own wife. Wife make her husband puppet in their hand. चाची आप करती हैं ऐसे क्या? नहीं। अच्छा ठीक है। बीच में डांटती है थोड़ा। ठीक है। So ekastriyo prakriti mukhara. Bhagavan Krishna told, oh Narad, I have one wife but is very talkative. If I ask something, he refute my argument immediately with 10 arguments, not listening me at all. Then Krishna became silent. Oh, what after that? What after that? Oh Narad. And what is the nature of Narad? I am speaking in Bengali, doctor will translate in English. Namti amar Narad Rishi badhai sudhu jhagda tate amar ananda je moja dekho tumra. I am making this rhyme in Bengali. But in this house you are crying. You have no crime, so you have to make rhyme in English.
Rhyme now is saying that my job is to create quarrel anywhere I go, and I get lot of pleasure in doing this.
Nazitali namti amar Narad Rishi badhai sudhu jhagda. My identification, my name is Narad Rishi. What is my profession? I always make quarrel among husband and wife, father and son, father and daughter, mother and son, mother and daughter, relatives between relatives, friends between friends. This is my occupation. If someone asks, why are you doing so? I get so much pleasure, and with me you can see some fun. So, what happened after that? Oh Narad, we are doing too much. Narad knew that Bhagavan is Bhakta Vatsal. So, who is Bhagavan? Why very talkative? Bhagavan has 2 consorts, Lakshmi and Saraswati. Saraswati is very talkative. Upon whom Saraswati Devi bestow her mercy, that person is very talkative, very learned scholar. I am giving 2 examples to clear this point. So, who is recipient of Saraswati Devi. You know time of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was doing Navadvip Leela, and Mahaprabhu being young boy, he harassing always all learned, great learned scholar. All learned scholar became fed up completely. And that only why also popped up. It mentioned in the scripture, Namanti Phalino Vriksha Namanti Gunino Jana. When so many fruits will come in the tree, branch hang down. And who is very learned scholar will be polite. That only Mahaprabhu, oh Gaur Sundar, why so popped up? Why you boasting yourself? Mahaprabhu, I am not bragging myself, this is a reality, what I am telling. So all scholars became very disturbed. Mahaprabhu will go, okay, you can debate with me. And at that time, Navadvip was the Oxford of whole India. If somebody can get degree holder from Navadvip, then is the best learned scholar. So thousands of learned scholars are there from all over India coming to learn there. One day, one learned scholar from Kashmir came, his name was Keshav, and all you know him, Keshav Kashmiri, because name was Keshav, and being inhabitant of Kashmir province, so he called Keshav Kashmiri. The Pandit, Brahman scholar of Kashmir, so called Keshav Kashmiri. He has a lot of wealth, so many horses, elephant, and so many followers with him. Big turban, sound health. So he became victorious all over India. At last came to Navadvip. Bhagavan's one's name Darpahari Narayan. He never give anybody's false ego. If somebody will do, crash completely. So everybody had Keshav Kashmiri coming, Keshav Kashmiri coming. All the top learned scholar, they are closing their shops, closing their pathshala. They held a meeting that Keshav is coming in 2 days. What to do now? They are very learned scholars. Then they decided themselves, listen, first we send Keshav Kashmiri to this Nimai Pandit. He is very popped up. If Keshav Kashmiri defeat him, then he will be silent forever. They'll tell, oh, you are boasting too much doing this, even you could not face the Keshav Kashmiri, what kind of scholar you are? So then Nimai will be cooled down. And by chance, by grace of Narayan Bas, grace of demigods, like Devi, if our Nimai defeat him, then we can clap so much. Oh, Nimai like our grandson. If you defeated by our grandson, what to say about us? Get out from Navadvip. We have both loved in both hands. If Nimai got defeat, then he will be stopped. If Nimai defeat him, then his pride will be crushed completely. So they are doing this and they took decision. Mahaprabhu Antarjami, omniscient. What happened? Due to Mahaprabhu's desire, Keshav Kashmiri came direct to Nimai Pandit. Time was evening, sun set, the rays of sun on the western horizon became completely reddish. And Ganges, there are some waves, and scenery became very attractive. Nimai Pandit sitting with so many followers. So many are much more elder than Nimai Pandit. They are sitting there, and he had heard the glory of Nimai Pandit when he entered in Navadvip. So Mahaprabhu, by her Jogmaya potency, dragged there. And when he came, So many followers with him. Big turban, this, that, elephant, horses. So many persons with him.